No reply. Not even bubbles. Ooh. Dear Miss Eileen, the message went through and then nothing. I wasn't hungry. I was restless, pacing, opening the fridge just to look. I checked the phone again. Still nothing. I ate a slice of leftover pizza, cold. Scrolling and checking. No reply. Not even bubbles. Next, a few spoonfuls of Friendly's French vanilla right from the carton. Scrolling and checking. Was it dinner? Was it comfort? Nah, just something to do while I waited to be chosen. Signed, chewing and checking. Oh, I know that silence. Sadly, chewing cannot hasten a reply. Next time, knead fathead dough. Flatten it into crackers. Wrestle it into bagels. Twist it into pretzels. That's all.